play and guess the sound. Fun animal noises all around. I make a red roof with hooves so strong I trot right past. Who am I? Great job! It's a horse. Ribbit, ribbit. I jump so high, I croak and leap. Give me a try. Guess me now. Ribbit, ribbit, well done. It's a frog. Quack, quack, quack. I swim in a lake, waddle and quack. What sound do I make? Who makes this sound? Excellent! It's a duck. Cluck, cluck, cluck. She got feathers, lays her eggs, walk around on tiny legs. Can you guess? Yes, it can. You guessed it right. Who I awake at night, flying in the silence, out of sight. Can you guess? Great job! Owl! I flap my wings. I love to squawk. I copy sounds when I talk. Who am I? Impressive! This is parrot. Hiss! I slither slow. No legs at all. Watch me go. Take a guess. Great job! It's a snake. Trumpet sound loud. It's big and red. A huge fan stomping across the land. Yes, who am I? Good job! Elephant. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. I swing on trees. I love bananas and climb with ease. Who am I? Great job and impressive. This is a monkey. Flying high with a loud cry. Who's that bird up in the sky? Who is this? This is eagle. Excellent. Buzz. I fly so high. I make honey and touch the sky. Who am I? You are awesome. It's me. Great job, Have you guessed them right. Come again and play morning or night. Like, share and subscribe to Clever Cubs.